So this is Walter, and at our last apartment, somehow he got a mild case of fleas. And instead of flea treatment, what we do is we use this comb, and we comb them twice a day. And at first you'll start seeing big fleas on the comb. And after a little while they'll become tinier. And if you do it twice a day, eventually there will be no fleas at all. So this is how we do it. We turn the water on. And we comb him. And when we see the flea, we do this. Okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Can you calm your kitty by talking? It's okay. It's okay, we're getting rid of fleas. It's okay. Ah, see? There's usually not much on the legs. For some reason, they like the back of the neck, the sides of the neck, and along the base of their tail are the main areas fleas congregate. Now the other cat didn't get fleas, so the infestation is not bad. But this one did. So we still vacuum the carpet every day or every other day. See, and this is another area right here. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta reposition yourself with him. I'm not seeing any fleas back here, but there's a couple. You can get the larvae with this too, I think. But eventually, the larva will hatch, become tiny fleas, and you'll get the fleas before they can lay more eggs. And eventually, after about a month of doing this 2 or 3 times a day, the fleas should be gone. Right, this is Walter. Okay. He loves it.